Hi, let's simplify this particular Olympiad question. So I want you to learn the trick, like anytime you see this type of question, this is how you approach it. Now, when you look at the numerator, just take this step, okay? And I'm going to give you assignment at the end, something similar for you to try out yourself. So watch to the end and let's go. Now, when you look at the numerator, the lowest power we have there is 11. So we are going to manipulate all these numerators, all these powers in terms of 11. That is the first thing we should do. Now, how do we manipulate this 33 in terms of 11? We can write 33 as 11 plus 22, right? So we write 2 to the power of 11 plus 22, okay? Plus, this is same thing as 2 to the power of 11 plus 11 plus 2 to the power of 11 divided by, I'm going to solve about 3 different questions here. So just sit put, pick your popcorn and keep picking it one by one. So this side, just do the multiplication here. So what times 11 will give you 33? It is what? 3. So we have 2 to the power of 11 multiplied by 3 minus 1. All right. So this is equal to, now recall that when you have a to the power of m, all right, when you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Okay, okay. All right, so this is equal to, that means we can write this as 2 to the power of 11 multiplied by 2 to the power of 22 plus 2 to the power of 11 multiplied by 2 to the power of 11 plus 2 to the power of 11. Recall that in this type of question, you are not allowed to use calculator. So you are going to simplify it as much as possible. Okay. Now here, when you have a to the power of m n, okay, this is same thing as a to the power of m raised to the power of n, okay, or a to the power of n raised to the power of m, any of them. Okay, now let's go back to this. That means I can rewrite this, okay, as this denominator. Yeah, this denominator, that means I can rewrite it as 2 to the power of 11 raised to the power of 3, right? Minus 1. Okay, now let's continue. So when you look at this, when you look at the numerator, notice that we can factorize 2 to the power of 11 out. So that is exactly what we will do. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 11. We open our bracket. When this is divided by this, we have what? 2 to the power of 22 remaining, plus when this is divided by this, we have 2 to the power of 11 remaining, plus when this is divided by itself, we have 1 divided by 2 to the power of 11 raised to the power of 3 minus, that one is same thing as 1 to the power of 3, right? Yes, you see why I had to add that 3. Now we are going to simplify the denominator. So when you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now we are going to substitute. Our a is 2 to the power of 11 and our b is 1. Therefore, we can rewrite this as what? 2 to the power of 11 bracket 2 to the power of 22 plus 2 to the power of 11 plus 1, everything divided by, now let's simplify the denominator. Okay, so the denominator is the same thing as 2 to the power of 11 minus 1, right, multiplied by a squared, that is 2 to the power of 11 squared, okay, plus ab, that is 2 to the power of 11 plus, sorry, multiplied by 1, plus b squared, that is 1 squared. Okay, this is what you will have. Now this is equal to 2 to the power of 11 bracket 2 to the power of 22 plus 2 to the power of 11 plus 1 divided by, so we have 2 to the power of 11 minus 1, open bracket. That is for this one now here. So when you have two powers on a number, you can multiply them together, right? So we have 2 to the power of 11 times 2 will give us 22. All right, plus 2 to the power of 11 times 1 is still 2 to the power of 11, plus 1 squared is still 1. So this is equal to, now if you look at this thing very well, notice that this and this are the same. So they will cancel out. Now we have 2 to the power of 11 divided by 2 to the power of 11 minus 1. Now we continue. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 10 plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of 10 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 using the law of exponent. Okay, all right, now divided by 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 minus 1. All right, permit me to do this, to use this side of the whole thing. Excuse me. So let me draw my line. So please, if this is the first time you are seeing us, what is still holding you from clicking on that subscription button? Please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing us, so that you don't miss our amazing videos. And please give us thumbs up if you're actually enjoying the video, which I'm sure you are. So let's go. Now we have, this is where we are, 2 to the power of 10, okay, multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 minus 1. So this is where we are. Now we can easily get 2 to the power of 10, all right? 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. So we have 1002. Let me, since I've written 2 already, let me use it as this 2. 2 to the power of 1 is 2 multiplied by 1024, right? That is 2 to the power of 10 is this, divided by, now 2 to the power of 10 is 1024 multiplied by 2 as well, multiplied by 2 minus 1. Now this is equal to, when this multiply this, you are going to have 4048, right? Divided by, here we're going to have 4048 minus 1. Okay, so when we solve this further, you can see that this is equal to 4048 divided by 4047. So I think this is the simplest so far. All right, thanks so much for watching. I would have loved to give you assignment, but unfortunately, I'm sorry, in my next video I'm going to do that. Okay, so watch my next video for another interesting tricks of Olympiad, where I'll give you something to solve relating to what I just taught. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.